Hello, everybody. My name is Rock Tate. I still live inside a nature life, but I have a reason to believe that there will be something new, or something good, or something different in the nature where I live now. And as of this moment, I went on to find out what goes on next in my nature life. When I look at nature, I notice that there will be a good thing, or a bad thing, or a normal thing. Living a nature life is completely normal, sometimes easy, sometimes hard. So I lived there, sometimes the indoors, but still I lived outdoors. Once I noticed that there are things that happen to me in the nature life, I was thinking about living in a different kind of nature. But I haven't decided yet. Whatever goes on in my nature life, I'll be looking forward to see what comes next in my nature life. When time comes for the difference between my nature life and a different nature life, I can't decide. But I'm going to find out whatever is next in what's left of my nature life.